No. Okay, so that's not entirely true. If you are building a private, backyard, or residential playground, there are instructional videos and guides that can help you build that on your own. And while it may be cheaper, you still have to account for the cost of timber, accessories, tools, and labor in your budget. As far as any public playground goes, it is absolutely not cheaper, nor is it even practical. Public playgrounds have to meet safety guidelines set by multiple organizations such as ASTM and CPSC. Manufacturers and dealers have certified equipment. Not only that, but the materials their equipment is made from is perfect for daily use and harsh weather. That's not to say that there aren't ways for a frugal spender to save a few bucks, including shopping from our deals or sales pages for surplus or overstock equipment. In-stock items and quick ship items are also great for projects with a short time frame. Installation is where you can really save some money. Generally, about 18% of a budget goes to installation. If you have the knowledge and labor required to install a playground, you can save that 18% for more playground equipment. You can also hire a CPSI certified installer to help you supervise your installation, or you can hire a whole dang team to do the job for you. Thanks for stopping by. Any questions? Leave a comment below. Until next time, I'm Scott for AAA State of Play.